Yes, students, a very good morning and welcome to the class. And as you can see on the screen, it's written chapter number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. So this is the chapter that we are going to start today. Okay. Now, this is a chapter about a boy named Albert Einstein. Now, this Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. He had no signs of greatness and his mother taught him to be a freak. That is, mother ने उनको हमेशा से क्या सिखाया? To live your life in a freaky way. Okay, there was no signs of greatness at all that can be seen in him. His head seemed too large. When he learned to speak, he spoke everything twice. हर चीज को वो 2 बार बोलते थे. He played by himself and loved mechanical toys. As usual, every boy, basically, mainly जो boys होते हैं, they always used to love which kind of toys? Mechanical toys. So same was with Albert Einstein. Looking at his newborn sister, Maza, he asked where her wheels were. Now अपनी younger sister को देख के he just asked कि इसके wheels किधर चले गए. Now he used to think that everything in this world, हर जो चीज होती है वो wheels पे रहती है and every toy is on wheels. So little sister को उसको बिल्कुल toy जैसी लग रही थी, तो he was saying कि ये तो little sister है, बिल्कुल toy जैसी है, तो इसके wheels कहाँ चले गए? ठीक है? Was just thinking about the wheels. He learned to play the violin at the age of 6. Now, उन्होंने वायलिन बजाना भी सीख लिया at the age of what? Age of 6. Once his headmaster told his father, एक बार उनके headmaster ने उनके father से कहा that he would never be a success at anything. He says कि आपका बेटा ना कभी भी किसी चीज में लाइफ में बहुत successful नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Now listening this thing is something that can be a trouble for the parents, right? So this is just the conceptualization of the story that I am telling you, so that एक बार आपको थोड़ा सा concept का idea होगा तो you can understand the text very nicely. Now as a student, what kind of person was Einstein? He was not bad in his studies. बुरे नहीं थे वो पढ़ाई में. He joined high school in Munich and he scored good marks in every subject. हर subject में उनके अच्छे marks होते थे. He was highly gifted in mathematics and physics. Okay, especially in mathematics, he was highly gifted, and along with that in physics also. He argued with his teachers over enforcing strict discipline and orders in the school. And when it comes to the strict discipline and order to be maintained in the school, he was usually found in an argument about it with the teacher. He left school for good at the age of 15. 15 years की age में he just left the school. Just imagine, do not get motivated by this thing. Always get motivated by something positive. हर person की life में 2 aspects हैं that can be positive and negative. We should always imbibe if we get something positive in somebody's attitude. Okay. So he just left the school at the age of 15 and he decided to study at the University of Zurich after the school. He decided to study at the University of Zurich after the school. Now there he fell in love with a fellow student. Now वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? He fell in love with who? With a fellow student whose name was Meleva Merrick, and she was a clever creature. At the age of 21, Einstein worked as a technical assistant and finally secured a job of technical expert. Okay, he secured the job of technical assistant. One of his famous paper of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity. While he was solving problem in physics, his private life was going through a turmoil. Now, one of his famous paper जो था उनका of 1905 वो क्या था? आइंस्टाइन की एक थ्योरी आई थी, आपने पढ़ी होगी कहीं पे, और you must have been studying और आप पढ़ोगे Einstein's theory of relativity. While he was busy solving the problems in physics, उनकी जो private life थी ना was going through a turmoil. That is, there were some problems in his private life. Now he wanted to marry Meleva Merrick. उन्हें मेलिवा से शादी करनी थी, but his mother was against it. But उनकी mother क्या थी? Was completely against it. वो नहीं चाहती थी ऐसा हो. She thought Meleva was too old for him as she was 3 years older than him. And she was also bothered by Meliba's intelligence. Now the mother was worried by two things. That is why she does not want कि उसकी शादी एल्बर्ट से हो. वो दो चीजें क्या थी? उन दो चीजों में से एक चीज तो थी that उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा that Meliba was 3 years older than him. वो उससे 3 साल बड़ी थी. And the second thing is that वो मेलिबा की इंटेलिजेंस से बॉदर्ड थी. उन्हें ऐसा लग रहा था her son is less intelligent and the girl is more intelligent. तो अगर ये कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया ना, तो it's going to give trouble to his own son later on in the life. Now the pair finally got married. कुछ भी हुआ, whatever might have been the problems they were facing, but ultimately the pair finally got married in January 1903. They had 2 sons. उनके 2 बेटे भी हुए, but a few years later the marriage failed. But finally, as expected, वो marriage fail हो गई. Few years later. Couple finally divorced in 1919, and couple finally got divorced in the year 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elisa the same year, and the same year Einstein ने अपनी ही cousin से शादी कर ली, and the name of the cousin was Elisa. Einstein published his general theory of relativity in 1915. The newspaper hailed his work as a scientific revolution. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 and received honor and invitation from all over the world. Now, Einstein ने publish किया अपना general theory of relativity in 1915. Now, this newspaper, it hailed his work as a scientific revolution, and he received the Nobel Prize for Physics in which year? 1921, and received honors and invitations from all over the world. And invitations and honors मिले उन्हें from all over the world. Yes. So now when the Nazis came to power in Germany 1933, Einstein immigrated to US. And there 5 years later, एक nuclear fission discover किया गया by the Nazis in Berlin. And उसने क्या किया? That is a kind of a nuclear bomb was discovered over there. And it upset the American physicists so much that they were just afraid. वो डर गए that Nazis would build and use the atomic bomb. कि Nazis जो है वो एटॉमिक बॉम्ब बना भी सकते हैं एंड एटॉमिक बॉम्ब को यूज भी कर सकते हैं. सो दैट कैन बी अ बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर एनीवन. सो नाउ फर्दर आइंस्टाइन रोट अ लेटर टू फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट. अब आइंस्टाइन ने एक लेटर लिखा किसको? फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट को, द अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट, एंड वार्नड हिम दैट अ सिंगल न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब वुड कॉज अ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन. एंड उन्होंने उनको वार्न किया कि एक जो सिंगल न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब है ना, वो भी एक मास डिस्ट्रक्शन कॉज कर देगा. बट अमेरिकन ने डेवलप किया है एटॉमिक बॉम्ब सीक्रेटली, एंड उन्होंने उसको ड्रॉप कर दिया ऑन द जापानीज सिटी हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी इन अगस्त 1945. Einstein was very much deeply shaken by this destruction that is caused by the atomic bomb, and he wrote a public letter to the United Nations, and in it उन्होंने क्या propose किया? The formation of a world government. उन्होंने बोला अब एक world government की formation की जानी चाहिए. But this did not prove effective. हमारे यहाँ पे एक nation की government is not effective. How can we just expect कि पूरे world की एक government हो and it can work smoothly and effectively? Is it possible? Is it possible in the reality? No. Imagination में तो anything is possible, but in reality it's not possible. This did not prove effective. So Einstein in the next decade involved himself in politics. So Einstein in next decade में क्या किया? Just involved himself in politics. He wanted to bring an end to the arms buildup. Now he wanted to bring what? An end to the arms buildup. He worked for peace and democracy. From there on, he started a mission that now he's going to work for two things. That is for the peace and for democracy. Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. So Einstein died at the age of 1955, and in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a great visionary and a world citizen. Now वो एक celebrated character बन गए, a celebrity sort of thing बन गए वो. He was a great visionary and he was recognized as a world citizen. वो citizen who always keeps thinking about the whole world as one. So we can say that Einstein was a born genius and उनके पास में सारी capabilities थी that a person wants to achieve his target. He has the talents, he has the qualities that is going to make him great in the future. उनके पास खुद के views थे about the life and he worked according to his own principle and that makes him little special. And that is the thing जो उन्हें special बनाती है, उन्हें दूसरों से different बनाती है. ठीक है. So now world always remembers him Einstein as the world citizen because he believed in the peace all over. उन्हें ये नहीं था कि मेरी खुद की लाइफ में शांति होनी चाहिए, but he wants peace for everyone and peace all over. He was of the opinion that the mad race for armaments would only lead to destruction. कि जो आर्मामेंट्स की ये जो मैड रेस है ना, जो हम भागते रहते हैं आर्म्स एंड वेपन्स के पीछे, लड़ाई, वॉर, डिस्ट्रक्शंस, this is only going to cause destruction, nothing more than this it's going to give us. He was more concerned about universal peace and humanity. वो more concerned थे किसके बारे में? About the universal peace and humanity. उन्हें universal peace चाहिए था, that is peace in the whole universe, and along with that he wanted humanity. उन्हें humanity की भी जरूरत थी that he वो expect करते थे and वो मतलब desire करते थे that there should be humanity prevailing all around us. So this is, we can say, the conceptualization of the chapter about a very truly beautiful mind. एक truly beautiful mind ही होता है जो एक world level पे, universe level पे peace and prosperity के बारे में सोच सकता है. If a person does not have a beautiful mind, that person is going to be more of a selfish and is going to think more about the selfish interest and then about the remaining society. But if the person has a truly beautiful mind, then really that mind is going to be a genius mind, because it's not an easy task to think about the universe at a point. Okay, so that is why हमारे जो Albert Einstein थे, he was a man with a truly beautiful mind. Okay, so now we'll start. If you have understood the conceptualization properly, then we are going to start with the text of the chapter. Okay, now see, before you read, there are 3 points given. Just go through these 3 points. What do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Now, जब भी हम एक genius की बात करते हैं, so what actually a genius is? Genius word सुना होगा. What genius is? What qualities do you think genius has? Genius के पास में क्या qualities होती हैं? Yes, who would like to tell me? So when we talk of the word genius and when we talk of the qualities of genius, we say that geniuses have a strong desire to work. Genius जो होते हैं उनके पास में बहुत strong desire होता है to work, और वो बहुत लंबी रेस के घोड़े होते हैं. उनके पास में बहुत नॉलेज होती है. They are 110% devoted towards their goal. They have courage, they have honesty, they have optimism, that is positive approach towards anything. कभी भी लाइफ में हताश नहीं होते. They have the ability to judge the things that what is right and what is wrong, and they have the enthusiasm to do one thing. ठीक है, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग होना. So all these things make a person genius. So these are the qualities of genius. Now you can just check that how many of you are genius. कितने genius बनने के ट्रैक पे हैं, कितने already genius हैं और कितने अभी genius बन सकते हैं. So you just have to see to it. Now the second point is, we shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old publisher, in quick succession, for groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of the moving bodies, and the energy. His work took up a few pages in scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos, and transforms the name Einstein into synonym of genius. So Einstein was possessing all the qualities to be a genius. So we can say that just his name has a synonym. Einstein का synonym क्या है? Is a genius. So we know that we are reading about a German civil servant who just took the world by storm about 100 years ago. एंड इन द समर 1905 एक 26-year-old पब्लिश किया उसने क्विक सक्सेशन फॉर ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग पेपर्स अबाउट लाइट, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of the moving bodies and energy. His work took up only a few pages in the scientific journal, but changed forever. जो हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी ऑफ स्पेस, टाइम एंड द एंटायर कॉस्मोस एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड द नेम Einstein into a synonym for genius. Now, 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein's genius still resides. Now 50 years after his death, जो एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन की जो जीनियस थे ना, it still resides. ठीक है, उनके जीनियस जो थे, उनकी जो क्वालिटीज थी, वो आज भी even after 50 years after his death, these qualities still prevail somewhere or the other. तो जीनियस क्या थे अपने आप, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन की जो जीनियस थे ना, they were just still prevailing, we can say. वो आज भी 50 years के बाद भी it just resides. Now, Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm, without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, in head seemed too large. Now, Albert Einstein, उनका birth कब हुआ? 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. And without any indication that he was destined for the greatness. And on the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. उनकी मदर ने क्या सोचा? That Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. उनकी मदर को ऐसा लगता था that he should live the life like a freak because his head was much too large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking, and 2.5 years old हो गए थे, but Einstein was not able to speak. बात नहीं कर पाते थे वो. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. जब वो बोलना सीखे ना, तो उन्हें एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई. That is वो जो भी बोलते हर चीज को कितनी बार रिपीट करते थे? 2 times. Every word he used to speak 2 times. When he finally learned to speak, Einstein did not know what to do with other children. Einstein को नहीं पता था बाकी बच्चों के साथ क्या करना है. And his playmates called him brother boring. और उनके जो playmates थे उनको क्या बोलते थे? brother boring बोलते थे. So the youngster played by himself. तो ये जो youngster था, because इसे कोई नहीं खिलाता था अपने साथ में, because he was known as brother boring. So he used to play by himself, अकेले much of the time. He specially loved mechanical toys और उन्हें mechanical toys बहुत पसंद थे. Looking at his newborn sister Maza, he is said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" Now he thinks that हर जो छोटी सी चीज होती है ना प्यारी सी, is a toy. Now he just took her newborn sister Maza as a toy and he said, और उन्होंने क्या बोला? Yeah, fine, she's beautiful, she's cute, she's good, she's my sister, but where are her wheels? उसके wheels कहाँ पे? ठीक है, he thinks कि हर मैकेनिकल टॉय में व्हील होते हैं, तो the sister should also have 2 wheels, but where are the wheels? 2 or 4, how many? A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he'll never make a success at anything. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to, and he later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. Now he further says that एक headmaster ने उनको एक बार कहा था उनके father को that what subject your son takes ना, that does not matter. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता उस चीज से. Why? It does not matter a lot. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Why? Because he is never going to make success at anything. वो लाइफ में किसी भी चीज में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा. आइंस्टाइन ने लर्न किया वायलिन बजाना at the age of 6 because her mother wanted him to learn to play the violin, and he later became a gifted amateur violinist. Okay, amateur क्या होता है? Doing something for personal enjoyment rather than as a profession. उन्होंने अपने लिए सीखा. That was a personal thinking जो उन्होंने सीखी. It was not as a profession. Maintaining this skill throughout his life, and he maintained this skill throughout his life because somewhere or the other we can say कि उनका खुद का interest इसमें develop हो गया था. Now, but Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. वो बुरे इंसान नहीं थे. He went to school, high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old and scored good marks in almost every subject. Now, वो कहाँ गए? High school in Munich. And जहाँ पे आइंस्टाइन की फैमिली जो थी had moved, वो मूव हो गई थी when he was 15 months old. जब वो कितने थे? 15 months old. And he scored good marks in almost every subject. हर सब्जेक्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स आते थे. आइंस्टाइन hated the school's regimentation. जो स्कूल के अंदर ऑर्डर्स एंड डिसिप्लिन होते थे ना एट एन एक्सट्रीम लेवल, आइंस्टाइन जस्ट हेटेड इट एंड ऑफन क्लैश्ड विद हिज टीचर्स. और उनका अपने टीचर्स के साथ में क्लैश भी हो जाता था. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled that he left the school for good. Now, at the age of 15, Einstein was so much unable to breathe. इतना suffocated feel करते थे वो वहाँ पे that he felt stifled. He felt suffocated and he felt unable to breathe over there, and he left the school for good, and he left the school at the age of 15. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with relatives. After prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. The previous year, Albert जो थे, उनके जो parents थे, they had moved to Milan, and वो उनके अपने बेटे को, that is Albert को, अपने son को छोड़ के चले गए उनके relatives के पास में. And after a prolonged, that is a long discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland. ठीक है, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. और ये वो city थी स्विट्जरलैंड की जहाँ पे ज्यादा freedom and liberty मिलती थी as compared to Munich. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics. Einstein mathematics में बहुत highly gifted थे and physics में बहुत interested थे वो हमेशा से. And after finishing the school, he decided to study at a University of Zurich. And after he finished the school, उन्होंने decide किया that he is going to study at the university in Zurich. But science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man. But science was not the only thing जो इस dashing young man को appeal करे. And who was the dashing young man? Albert Einstein. But rather with a walrus mustache. और उनकी mustache थी कौन सी थी? He was having a walrus mustache. So here another trait of his character we can say, उनकी physical appearance के बारे में बताया गया है that he is a dashing young man and he has a walrus mustache. So along with the genius, he also has a very good looking appearance we can say, ठीक है, which make him differentiated from the rest. So here you can see the two pictures. Einstein in 1900 at the age of 21, you can see looks damn dashing, and Einstein in 1955 as we remember him now. And here also the face itself gives an impression of genius, right? So this is all we can say for today's class, and rest will continue tomorrow. Okay, just take care of yourself.